We've been doing business for 24 years and growing strong. We started very small, maybe 6, 8 people in the company. Now we're more than 100 people.
What made us different from the other company? i3 now is more into new technologies. We can offer beyond the usual security system, beyond the usual surveillance cameras. We evolve to bigger opportunities like we offer AI, we offer access cards through mobile phone. As our vision and mission is moving towards a smarter tomorrow, so we seek and think of more partners that can help us achieve that.
We're very lucky that we are being recognized by a lot of global manufacturers like HID, Milestone, Genetec, Axis. We also have Automatic Systems being the best in the market. It's been our goal to really provide a smarter solution, smarter tomorrow for the Philippine market. We don't want to stick with the old technology. We reinvent and we make sure that we only offer the best in the market.
Meron different types of security systems. Nandiyan yung surveillance, access control, alarm systems. Those will work independently. So ang integration, it is the starting point ng centralization.
Integrations matter because they allow businesses to streamline their processes and increase efficiency by connecting different applications, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Most of our clients, they're using analog types. Everything is manual. As a solutions provider, we will provide them integrated solutions. Everything is centralized in one system.
All of the technologies that we bring to the market, we also a user of this technology. We want to make sure that we are fully satisfied before we deploy it to our end customers. We don't just sell, we make sure that it's going to work. We have a lot of Mission Impossible projects. We enjoy doing those. Day to day, we've been solving a lot of customer problems, trying to find solutions to their pain points, trying to mix and match technologies from different solution providers. And we're very lucky that most of this company have solutions to every problems our customers are facing.
We can be their consultant para ma-educate din yung client natin kung ano na ba yung nangyayari sa technology natin ngayon. Meron kasing mga clients, alam lang nila surveillance, access control, but they don't know kung gaano kalalim yung system na kailangan nila. Wala silang idea that they need this integration, they need this centralization. Once na nakausap nila yung technical team from our department, dun sila nagkaka-idea na meron palang ganito.
We focus our energy in providing the best customer service. We employ a lot of good people. We also have system in place to make sure that our response time is fast. Quality support, quality service to our end customers. That's the most important. And we always make sure that our customers goes first other than anything else.
Manage ko yung staff ng commissioning, ng system, and sa technical support. Kino-commission nila yung system natin, then turn over sa end user. Yung process is, number 1, to activate the system. Then, nagkakandak din tayo ng orientation sa end user. Then, turn over the whole system. After commissioning, that's the time na papasok naman yung technical support. For example, nagkaroon yung problema yung system, it's either phone support or on-site support. 24/7, nag-response naman kagad tayo. Yung contract is preventive maintenance to maintain lahat ng equipment na sinupply namin, kung ano yung needs ni client. As a system integrator, syempre parang babasahin mo kung ano yung needs nila, kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung problema nila. Siyempre, ang gusto lang naman natin sa client natin is masatisfied.
My goal has been to help all the people that works in i3 to be very successful.
Most of our employees kasi, marunong sila makisama. Siyempre, mga experience sila, mataas yung skills nila. Parang technology, from time to time, talagang nag-innovate siya. Parang ganun din si i3. Everyone here nagtatry maging better. Makikita mo na talagang hardworking. Talagang tulong-tulong sila para lang matapos tong project na to and para hindi ma-delay yung mga deadline or yung mga for submission. i3 is, kumbaga, hindi lang siya company, isa siyang pamilya. i3 is truly a blessing for me, to us as De La Cruz family. Financially, really helped me a lot. Like, we were able to buy things that we need, set aside for the future. We are grateful that working with i3 is more than just a job. It's been like a home away from home. And also, it feels like the management has become our family as well.